Okay, Gina. So I will give you some clue. So how I'm going to present this idea. First, you talk about how you come to know this course, yeah, and then these institutions, and then how you join here, and then you talk about that is the first thing. Second thing, you talk about the total contents, how you learn things, how it is knowledgeable, how your experience. You can talk about it. These are the subject wise. And the lecturing, in my side, we can talk about the delivery, the way I presented things. So you can bring positive, even negative can be constructive feedback. You can bring it here. So, and then your overall learning and overall experience. Okay, how you are feeling about this program and this learning environment. Yeah, start with Gina.
Okay. So we started since last year, CPP time. So after that, I took the CPPM. Then after the CPPM, you encouraged me to take also the SEM, Logistic and the Supply Chain Management. So since I'm interested with the course also, and it's related to my professional qualification, so I joined the training program or the academic training program. Basically, there are really some more things that I should learn, and I have learned also during the course of the training. So lots of information that I don't know before. Now I now I can relate it to my uh, professional uh, in my work. So um, there are lots of ideas that came in also. There are lots of learnings, and I appreciate also you for good teaching. Actually, I learned a lot. I learned a lot. And for the past 9 months, I've learned a lot. Things that I don't know that exist, you have introduced to me. So uh, I'm confident also that making the assignments would be easier, referencing to the with reference to your what you call this one, to the PDF files that you are sending to our group. It's a big help also. Lots of ideas will come from there when you make the assignment. It's a good reference also, and then uh, I know we can complete the assignment using those tools. And so regarding the teaching, I don't have any complaint about the teaching. It's very good also. It's very clear. So I think personally it's up to the student on how they will uh, listen to you, how will they adapt to your ideas, how will they adapt to your teachings also. So there, I'm confident we can finish the assignments.
First of all, little tell me about your positions. What are you doing, name and the country? What are you doing? I forgot to tell that one, please, because you
Ah,
didn't introduce. Yeah.
yeah. Yes, yes. My name is Gina. I'm from the Philippines. I'm working as a procurement officer for almost 11 years now. So that's why this training is good for me since the start, since the CPP up to the LCM. It's a very good combination. Logistics, supply chain management, and procurement is a very good combination in my field. So I have a lot of learnings to do also.
Okay. Thank you, Tina. Thank you for your valuable feedback and good luck for your future learning. And I would like to see you to continue MBA, inshallah. Yeah, think about that one.